just the facing. I'm just gonna do the stitching around. Okay, so I'm gonna stitch it around there. Well, it's stitch from there to there. As you can see, afterwards, so it needs to attach to that bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I've done it on the inside. So you won't see any raw edges because the raw edges are on the inside. Okay, so I will be doing the other side. So what we actually do, let me straighten this out. So what we actually doing is put these two bits together like so. So I'm going to pin them down. So that I can stitch open it up. So this is the inside bit. I'm just gonna sew right along there. Okay. here we have a circle that I've cut out already for the flare. But just to let you know, the piece of paper that I cut out is 13 inches long, and it's also 13 inches wide. And when I'm measuring out the circle to cut out the flare, it's 3 inches wide. So all I did was put my tape measure from here to there and measure 3 inches, and then from there to there is 3 inches. So I will be cutting it out now, and then you'll see what it looks like when I come back. So here you have it. I've cut it out. So I've got it on a double, and I'll be stitching the pieces. I'll be stitching it out on the double. So this is what it will look like. Alright, we'll stitch along the inner bit, not the outer. The outer is what's going to make the flare. So you stitch on the inner section. So the purple threads I use to base the material down. These purple thread needs to come out. So the next thing we're going to do now is attach the bottom bit. As you can see there, I've hand stitched with the purple thread, and so I'm going to stitch it down and then bring over the lining. So once I've done that, I'll bring over the lining like so, and then I will attach the inside to the lining as well. This bit, so this is the part that's going to make the inside of the dress a bit puffy. It's going to make it puffy and fluffy, guys. Okay, so once I've done that, then I'll also bring it together and put the zipper in. Okay, so I'm just giving you a rough idea of what it's going to look like. And then I'll just add this zipper in, fold this over, and then I'll add the zipper and then close the seam. Okay, so that's the front bit. That's what it looks like. So this is the skirt, the ending part of the skirt on the wrong side, as you can see there. So I've already put a mark in here because I've pinned the zipper on the wrong side up. So when it is stitched down and you flip it over, then it's going to be up like so. But what I intend to do first is to stitch just from here, which is the ending part of the zipper, and go straight down to the end of the skirt, and this is what you call a seam. Okay, I've gone ahead and measured the seam at 1.5 inches. You can see there. So this is how I'm gonna stitch the seam all the way down. Just wanted you to see. To mark where the zipper we're going to be stitching. Okay, so let's just open it up and see where we've got to. After the seam, as you can see there, so now I'll just stitch one side of the zipper. Open the zipper there. So you turn it over, and this is what you get on the inside. That's it there. That's the inside, and now I'm gonna go back and stitch the lining. So this needs to fold in. Let's bring this down. So I now need to fold this over like so. And now I'm gonna stitch the lining down on the zip on the inside like so. So it's going to be like so. Okay.